Corporate governance principles encourage companies to respect the rights of shareholders by openly and effectively communicating necessary information which they need to know about the company as at when due. Welcome to another edition of the Nigerian Investor. Last week we talked about the coveting listing on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Today we want to talk about quoted firms and delay in filing audited results. Complying with financial statement filing on or before the due date to some extent tells the level of corporate governance principle imbibed by certain firms listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Latest update on the quoted firms that are yet to file their 2013 audited result as at 26 May 2014 reveals that 88 quoted firms out of the 191 listed companies on the Nigerian Stock Exchange are yet to comply with the filing of their 2013 audited results. This figure represents 46.07% of the total firms listed on the exchange. Financial services sector dominated the list with 33 firms out of the 57 firms listed in the sector, representing about 57.89% of the total firms in the sector. Out of the 33 defaulters, the insurance subsector has 26 firms, making the list, representing 78.79% of the 33 defaulters in the financial sector. Prominent among these 88 firms are Ohando, Conhoil, Aiko, Wapik, 47FB, etc. On the other hand, 107 firms have filed their 2013 audited result, representing about 56.02% of the total firms listed on the Nigerian bourse. A dive into latest activities on capital raising in the Nigerian capital market reveals that firms are embracing other methods of capital raising like special placement, right issue, and private placement, unlike what was obtainable in 2006 when the market witnessed a lot of IPOs. The following companies like Champion Breweries, Unity Bank, Sterling Bank, Diamond Bank, etc. plan to raise fresh funds, with Omoluabi Savings and Loans PLC being the only firm that intends to use the IPO window. On news and market updates, the following are the upcoming AGMs in the market: NASCOM PLC on the 19th of June 2014, Capital Hotel PLC on the 24th of June 2014, Japan Oil and Maritime PLC on the 27th of June 2014, Stanbic IBTC Holding PLC on the 7th of August 2014. The following companies have declared corporate action. NASCOM PLC declared 90 kobo with the closure date set for 10th to 11th of June 2014. Capital Hotel PLC declared 5 kobo with the closure date set for 9th to 13th of June 2014. Japan Oil and Maritime PLC declared 2 kobo with the closure date set for 16th of June 2014. And Stanbic IBTC Holding PLC declared 10 kobo with closure date set for 17th of April 2014. On announcement in the market, FBN Holdings announced the acquisition of ICB Senegal. FBN Holding PLC has notified the Nigerian Stock Exchange that its subsidiary First Bank of Nigeria Limited has now completed the acquisition of ICB Senegal, which represents the last jurisdiction of the West African asset of ICB Financial Group Holdings. The conclusion meeting was held on the 27th of May 2014. Seplat appointed Mr. Damian Dodo and Madam Nathalie Dalaplan as directors. Seplat Petroleum Development Company PLC has notified the Nigerian Stock Exchange of the appointment of Mr. Damian Dodo San and Madam Nathalie Alternate French as director of the company. Triple G appoints Mr. Omotola Akinwole as new managing director. Triple G and Company PLC has notified the exchange of the appointment of a new managing director / chief executive officer in person of Mr. Omotola Akinwole Oshukenyun, effective 2nd of May 2014. With this appointment, Chief G.G. Giwa steps down as the company's erstman, a position occupied for several years, but he retained a seat on the board of the company as a non-executive director. CWG appoints Mr. Emmanuel Itoya Ijewere as director. The Computer Warehouse Group PLC has notified the exchange of the appointment of a new director, Mr. Emmanuel Itoya Ijewere. On the watchdog segment, revocation of Mr. Kayode Awotile's registration as an authorized clerk. Please be informed that at the meeting of the Disciplinary Committee of the National Council of the Nigerian Stock Exchange, held on the 26th of February 2014, the committee passed the following resolution: that the registration of Mr. Kayode Awotile, the former managing director of Lakesworth Investment and Security Limited, as an authorized clerk, B, and is hereby revoked pursuant to Rules 45 and 167 of the Rules and Regulations governing dealing members for contravention of the rules in relation to the unauthorized transfers, sales of shares, and failure to carry out the directives of the committee. We hereby notify and advise all dealing member firms and employees to desist from any dealings with Mr. Kayode Awotile in all capital market related activities. That's all we have for you today on this program. I remain your regular anchor until I come your way again next week. Bye for now.